Let's look at headings in APA 6th edition format. I have a sample research paper. On the right is a little table that on the left mentions how the APA level headings should be. So I'm going to use this as a guide to format my document. Abstract is a level 1 heading. It's a main heading, so it's called a level 1 heading. I will center it. I will make it bold, and it's upper and lowercase. So that is how you do a level 1 heading in APA 6th edition. Let's do that again for introduction. It is bold and it has to be centered, a level 1 heading. Abstracts are always on their own page, so I move my introduction to a new page. Okay. Now, since this is a sample, I have many subsections to show you how the subheadings work. After introduction, there is the methods section. So methods is another main section, so it's going to be bold and centered. Under methods, I have participants. So participants is a level 2 heading. Now level 2 is left aligned, bold faced, uppercase, lowercase. Okay, so left aligned, it's on the margin and it has to be bold. Done. So that is now my level 2 heading. For my participants, I have participants from the east and from the west. So from the east and from the west are subheadings under my participant section. So they become level 3 headings. Level 3 headings are indented, boldface, lowercase. So this one is not indented. So I'm going to move it in. I'm going to make it bold. It ends with a period. And the body content immediately follows. It does not start on a new line. Let's look at from the west. It's also a level 3 heading. So it has to be bold. It ends with a period. And I have to make sure that I indent it. Okay. So again, the content follows the section heading immediately. Do not jump to the next line. Now under the west category, I have participants from the northwest and from the southwest. So northwest and southwest are subcategories of from the west. They would then become level 4 subheadings, which would look like level 4 is indented, boldface, italicized, lowercase heading with a period. So it's going to be indented. It's going to be bold. And it has to be italicized. For level 4, it needs to be italicized. And again, the content begins immediately after the period. You do not start a new line. Southwest is also level 4, falling under the west section. So I'm going to make it bold, italicize it, and make sure that it is indented. Again, my content begins soon after the subheading. Now under Southwest, I have two other categories, which are Southwest Urban and Southwest Rural. So I've got methods, my level 1 heading. Under methods, I had participants, level 2. In participants, I had participants from the east and from the west, so they were level 3. Under west, I had northwest and southwest, which is level 4. Now under southwest, if I have subsections, they're going to be level 5. And level 5 is just italicized with a period, and then you start the body content after it. Make sure to indent. So level 5 again, italicized with a period, and I indent it. So if you notice, level 3, 4 and 5 are all indented the same amount. They're all indented 5 spaces. They all end with a period, and the content immediately follows the subheading. It's only the font as such that changes. So you have bold and italicized, just italicized. So let's try that again. Instruments is a new section altogether. So I'm going to make it a level 1 heading, centered, bold. procedures is also level 1. So I'm going to center it and make it bold. And we have the same for results. Center it, make it bold. So I think you get the idea from this. And this table gives a comprehensive look at how headings should be. You can locate this table on your Purdue OWL website page.